Hi folks, I'm 4 miles north of Langham now. At a site which is today is known as the Hughes Parish Church. And on this site here we have some old gravestones, grave monuments dating back to the 1600s, and also I'm unsure if it's this which has been rebuilt, but there is the site here of an ancient St Cuthbert's church. And the reason I've stopped here today is basically because of this. The 1600s, the 1660 to 1670s, the English banned Catholicism in Scotland, and any gatherings for prayers or church meetings was banned. And a lot of the time, in a lot of places, they actually destroyed the bells. And this church here decided to hide the original bell, and they hid it in a tree. And there's the tree there, and there's the bell. So what I'm going to do, I'll take a quick walk around the gravesite, and I'll take a walk into the church as well, and have a wee look around. I'll see if I can spot some of the dates on some of these graves. Now this gravesite here is still being used today, I believe. As you can see there, there's still a lot of empty space for graves, and a lot of modern ones as well. There's a gravesite there, 2013, in loving memory of Thomas Preacher Harvey, who died in July 2003, and his wife Jane Little Scott, who died in February 2013, aged 92 years. But if I take a walk back, you'll start to see some of the older gravestones. Janet Slack, wife of Adam Ogilvie, tenant in Coombs, and she died in 1873, I think that is. If you see there, before I got into the church, there's a date stone. This was rebuilt in 1867. I believe the oldest part of the graveyard is over here. I've taken a walk around before videoing, and the oldest gravestone I've noticed was 1797, I think it was. This one there, 1986. $1891. It's a beautiful area. Shame about their busy road next to it, but it's a beautiful area all the same. Let's see if I can spot. Oh, and there's one, 1776. I can't make out the name. Murray. No, I can't make it out. Could be Turnbull, but I don't know. Who died October the 6th, 1776. So, we've got stones here that are more than 100 years older than the actual church engraving. But yeah, it's a beautiful walk, beautiful area, beautiful graveyard, as you can see. I'm not going to walk around it all. There's some carved gravestones in here as well. As you can see, there's several of them. Unfortunately, you can't make them out. There's no names on that because of the moss and the algae. But yeah, on this side, 1932 on this one. Okay, now I'm going to take a walk around the church. Very quick walk around. I'll pause until I get in there. Okay, so we're inside the church now. Just take a wee walk around. It's a beautiful looking church. Let you read this stone. Here lies Janet Elliott, spouse to Kit Scott of Fallnesh, who died of age. Walt Scott, her son, and C.H.R. Elliott, daughter to Will Elliott of Arkleton, who died in 1723 of age 19. So it's a very, very old stone here. Sister spouse to Walt Elliott of Arkleton, who died in 1684 of age and no age given. Walt Elliott of Arkleton, who died in 1702, age 68. Henry Robb and Gid Elliott, his sons. So W.A.S. Will Elliott of Arkleton, who died in 1721. So very, very old stones, much older than the rebuild of this church. And there's one over here as well. I don't know if you can make that out or not. There you go. The date on it is 1724 for Gilb Elliott, son to Rob Elliott of Middle Milne, who died the 9th day of his age, the 22nd of January, 1724. Okay, so there we have the inside of the church here as well. Beautiful looking church. Very beautiful. Okay, so I'll catch you on the outside. Beautiful looking church, and in a very beautiful area. So there we have it, the church bell hidden in the trees for the English. Now unfortunately we've not been able to find any stones that are old enough to confirm this, that this is the real reason the church bell's here. But certainly the story I was told about it, and as we can see there, if I can zoom in, the church bells have been replaced. Anyway, I thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll catch you in the next one. If you have enjoyed watching, then please press the like button. Thanks. Bye.